In Georgia, candidates need to get more than half of the vote to win an election. If not, it triggers a runoff, a rule with roots in the civil rights era. Georgia elections used to have a winner-take-all approach, but in the segregated South, the black vote didn't hold much weight. When white-only primary elections were deemed unconstitutional in 1946, Georgia relied more heavily on its 1917 county unit system. It allocated votes to counties, regardless of population. Georgia's 121 rural counties only made up about a third of the state's population, but this county unit system allowed these counties to control more than half of the vote, giving less voting power to cities. In the 1960s, the Supreme Court put a stop to election processes like this, encouraging Georgia and other southern states to adopt a one-person, one-vote system. In comes State Representative Denmark Groover. In 1958, he lost an election, but won a majority of the white vote. He blamed his loss on black voters banding together behind his opponent in what he called Negro bloc voting. In 1963, he won a seat and proposed a second round of voting. Groover, a self-identified segregationist, wanted to ensure that at least half of all constituents backed a candidate. So he played the numbers game. There were more white voters than black voters. And by forcing voters to pick between fewer candidates in a follow-up election, he figured white voters could rally behind one and decide the race. To this day, black voters in Georgia are still a minority, making up about 30% of registered voters. This runoff system and others like it have been challenged before and will likely see more challenges as high-profile races come down to slim margins. For more on Georgia's runoff rules, head to 11alive.com/vote.